Welcome to our tutorial on affiliate marketing for beginners. In this video, we're going to explain what affiliate marketing is and how you can get started with it. So, if you're new to the concept of affiliate marketing or just looking to learn more, keep watching. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where a business rewards an affiliate for each customer brought to them through the affiliate's own marketing efforts. The affiliate is typically a website owner or influencer who promotes the business's products or services through a unique link or code. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. For example, let's say you have a blog about fashion and you join an affiliate program for a clothing company. You write a post about the company's latest collection and include a unique link to the collections page on the company's website. If someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on the sale. It's that simple. Now, if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, the first step is to find an affiliate program to join. Many companies have their own affiliate programs, but you can also find a variety of programs on affiliate networks like Commission Junction or Share a Sale. Once you've found a program you're interested in, sign up and get your unique link or code to start promoting. Now that you have your link or code, it's time to start promoting. You can do this through your website, blog, or social media channels. The key is to be creative and find ways to naturally incorporate the link or code into your content. Remember, you want to make sure your audience knows that you're an affiliate and that you'll earn a commission if they make a purchase. Finally, the last step is to track your earnings and see how well your affiliate marketing efforts are paying off. Most affiliate programs will have a dashboard or reporting system where you can see how many clicks and sales you've generated. Keep in mind, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be a great way to earn some extra income if done correctly. And that's it. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand the basics of affiliate marketing and how you can get started with it. Remember, it takes time and effort to see results, but with the right strategy and a little patience, you can be successful with affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.